This is a Victor gumball machine from the 40s or 50s, known as the Topper. It's in good condition. Looks like there were some repainting or touch-ups to the rest. The rest is all in original condition. Please look at the pictures. I had this dismantled so I could lubricate the mechanism. Just had the original key. The glass is in good shape. It's a very solid machine. It's a penny machine. Put a penny in. Green gumball should come out. There you go. Very solid machine in original condition. Up for auction. Thanks for looking. Bye.